some people, you just can't touch them. Don't touch my anointed. Some people, you just can't touch them. You can try, but they're so protected because they come from a very sacred bloodline. They're coming from Joshua and Mary Magdalene. Divine lineage. You cannot erase them. You cannot banish them. They will always come back. Resurrection. They will always come back and make noise. They will always come back and illuminate the darkness. Whether you like it or not. It's divine intervention. No matter what you try to do over these people, it will fail 111 on the timer. They're protected beyond measure. There is an army of angels, guardian angels, ascended masters, dragon of the highest light to protect them. And especially when it's a divine union. Right before starting this, I got the Sangral. I am talking to a very powerful couple today. It's not just divine union, divine partnership, kingdom spouse. It's not just twin flame. We're talking royalty, royal inheritance, bloodline that has been erased of the history. 222 on the timer. The most powerful love in existence that has been erased for the sake of the matrix. Resurrection, phoenix, death and rebirth. Most powerful energy of the universe, transformation, divine change. This lineage is not something that you can erase out of the map. It's just not happening. I am talking to some people that has been seriously attacked for them not to be together because their mission together, I'm so hot channeling now. Their mission is so divine. Their mission is God intervention. They're becoming God together. They are unbreakable. Nothing can crush them. And if it happens, they rise again, and they will always do. Dancing, moving, always forward. They tried. Your life is a movie, artist, manifestation, creativity. They tried over time to raise your Kundalini, I'm hearing, your creativity. Because you're so powerful. Your sexual energy right now, this is everything they try to steal. They're sending some vampire, energetic vampire, to try to suck your light. because they cannot have their own light. I cannot make this up. Transformation, cellular regeneration, powerful deep healing. They tried to isolate you, to take your energy. They tried to isolate you from your divine counterpart. Anakatera iyo nagazaay ne kereki onotare kama kasere ananarayai ananarayai akua matatatarayasa. Ay kireya maya Isis and Osiris story. Death. The god of chaos was not happy about Isis and Osiris union. So a lot of different pieces of Osiris' body has been hidden all over Egypt. But Isis, with her divine power, eternal love and connection to the infinity, she has reunited. She found all the missing puzzle pieces and she helped Osiris resurrect for the sake of love for the God that he is. Maya Koreani Adeke Maya Seikayu Towanayate Ateyere Maya Kaye I may say Oh boy came like I'd say Omeyate ipukamaya Omare kosende Ate nuko outside of Take your gold back. Oh my God. This is a rassemblement. This is Starseed collective coming together. This is the end for them. Yeah. Love is more powerful. Krinika dodoromoe kikianata ananarekio totoumoe kiriosa na tsayoko mayata enini esereyoko wana ere eseseyoko no tsayaka aramakatserio maya. Massive 10 of Cups energy, I'm telling you. If you were in separation, it's over. The separation, yeah. Separation is over. You've been through a massive transformation, so take your power back. You're not relief. You just went through a massive clearing. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. Also, one-on-one session. This is something new and this is big. I love you, and until next time. Namaste.